Hi everybody, my name's Victor and this is going to be our walk around of the 2018 Mercedes-Benz C300. Now for the exterior of this car, it does have power folding mirrors, as you can see. Panoramic sunroof. And what we're going to do is just take a look at the outside of the car, the inside of the car, get an idea of what the features are looking like. But just kind of an all-around look. The 2018 C300s, they've been in this body style for a few years. They won't be redesigning until 2022. Here's to take a look at the space in the trunk here. For a smaller sedan, really good space in the trunk. This one has the power trunk as well. Take a look at the back seat here. As you can see, pretty good space in the back seat. That passenger seat is all the way back, but we'll move that up. Go around to the front once more. And there's our more of a sportier rim. Let's come around here. We'll move that seat up to get a good idea of legroom. But as you can see in the front, plenty of legroom for taller folks. We're going to move that seat up as we kind of take a look at the inside. Get a look at the radio here. This one's got a nice wood paired with black, which is really good combo. You got heated seats up front on both sides. There's the other back seat area. As you can see, pretty good space. You have some climate controls back here. That same wood trim on the doors. And then we'll go ahead and get in the car and we'll start it up. Take a look at some of these features. And then with Mercedes, as always, I mean, when you get into the car, really nice. Great combos of chrome, trim, the leather. And then as you get into the car, you see really good space. We'll go ahead and start it up. There's a push start right here. So your key, you can really keep the key just in your pocket, in your bag. Makes it really easy to get in the vehicle. Now this one, I know, has 35,816 miles on it right now. And there's your system here. All controlled, climate controls. Quick access buttons down to your cup holders and dynamic drive control, where this, as you can see, controls your system here. And you have plenty of options as far as radio, media, Bluetooth. It's all going to be available in this car. As we said before, heated seats on this side here. Now this model doesn't have navigation per se. It has CarPlay, things like that. It'll have CarPlay and things like that. And you can purchase the Mercedes SD card for the built-in navigation if you'd like. As you can see here, you have the large panoramic sunroof going down to the back seat. And then you can actually control that. If you don't want it open, let's say if it's sunny out, you have a sunscreen that you can cover both sides here, giving you like a nice comfortable interior. And now this one's going to have Bluetooth, some phone controls right here on the steering wheel, and on the right side, volume, more phone controls. You have your auto windshield wipers. You control everything with the electronic shift here. So if you want to go and drive, you put your foot on the brake and you go into drive. You want to go back into park, you press that button there, it goes right back into park. And then this dynamic control, which really nice for Mercedes, is you press this button, you'll see on the dash here and on the screen, it changes your driving mode. So depending on if you want to have an eco mode for more gas mileage, comfort, just more for a comfort ride, it changes your climate controls, your engine controls, how the car steers, how the car rides, all the way up until Sport Plus, where everything's just more geared towards being more of a tighter steer, more speedy. Beyond that, that is our walk around of the 2018 C300 that we have available right now. You can visit our website, www.go, that's GOMBOB.com, for Mercedes of Bourbonnais. My name's Victor. Feel free to reach out here on YouTube or at Facebook at BMC Victor. Or you can call the store 815-933-2100. And we'll be happy to take care of you. Have a great day, everybody.